What is up guys, another side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a sound to video in Canva for free. So first you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then when you're redirected to the home page, you need to click on video. After that, if you have any of the video in your PC that you want to upload, you can choose a format and upload that particular video. I currently don't have any video, so I'm choosing a pre-built template video from Canva. I'll click on it once, and then in the new tab, it will start opening. And now from here, I can just edit it. Now to add an audio, on the left side you will see some editing tools. Click on this apps, and after clicking on apps here on the left side at the bottom, you need to click on audios. After clicking on audios here, to access the free audios, you need to click on music free to access all the free audios. And let's say I like this audio, I'll click on it once, and then here you can see the audio has been added to the timeline. So this is how you can add an audio to Canvas video for free. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.